how to use Webflow templates. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow templates. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in. If you haven't made an account yet, you can do that now. After logging in, you'll be asked to choose a Google account if you've got more than one. Just pick the one you want to associate with your Webflow projects. Now, you're in your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll see a New Site button. Click that to get started with your first project. This is where the fun begins. Once you click New Site, Webflow gives you the option to start from a template or from scratch. Go ahead and click on Templates. You'll be taken to a collection of beautifully designed templates for all kinds of websites. Before picking one, you can preview the template. That lets you explore how the layout is structured, what animations are used, how the sections flow, and whether it fits your content style. Spend a little time here. It's important to choose something that matches your vision and makes things easier down the road. One quick heads up, some of these templates are free, while others require a paid plan. If you're serious about building a polished site and want access to more advanced designs, consider upgrading. Once you find the template that fits, just select it and boom, you're ready to start customizing your site inside the Webflow Designer. And that's it. You now know how to browse, preview, and choose a Webflow template. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials and web design tips. See you in the next one.